Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you try to fix things after infidelity, you still wake up with that tightness in your chest, that ache of fear, doubt, and despair?
You are not alone. Thousands of couples are silently living through this exact nightmare, checking phones at midnight, fighting about the same things again and again, pretending things are okay while wondering deep down, will I ever feel safe with them again?
Maybe you tried therapy that felt like expensive self-talk. Maybe you read the books, read the blogs, or watched the videos, only to feel even more misunderstood.
But what if we told you that your relationship isn't the problem? And it's definitely not that you're too emotional or too broken. The real issue.
Your brain's trust system has been rewired by trauma. When betrayal happens, your nervous system goes into survival mode. The person you once felt safest suddenly becomes a perceived threat, and your brain doesn't forget that overnight. It creates hypervigilance loops. That moment of panic when they don't answer your call. That gut-wrenching dread when they glance at a notification. That fear that this time they are lying again.
Even when both of you are trying, even when both of you are committed to healing, your brain keeps scanning for danger 24/7, like a smoke detector that won't shut off even when there's no fire.
And until you interrupt these fear-based patterns, no amount of trying harder will make trust feel real again. Here's the good news. Just like trauma creates these patterns, your brain can be gently rewired to create new patterns of trust.
Not forced trust, not fake forgiveness, but a genuine emotional safety built from the ground up.
This isn't guesswork. Small, consistent micro-trust moments can shift your emotional baseline. These moments take just 10 to 15 minutes a day, but they speak directly to your nervous system, helping it unlearn fear and rebuild safety from the inside out.
It's like recalibrating a compass that's been pointing toward pain for too long, and finally finding your way back to peace.
And here is the most important part. It doesn't require years of therapy or massive sacrifices, because it's something simple and repeatable.
And it's designed for couples who are still hurting, still trying, still hoping.
So, if you are watching this and thinking, I want to stay, but I don't know how. I love them, but I can't stop feeling scared. I want to trust again, but my heart won't let me.
You are not alone and you are not broken. There is a path forward, one where you wake up without that pit in your stomach. You go through the day without obsessively checking their location. You sit beside each other and feel peace, not panic. You finally feel like a team again instead of two strangers stuck in pain.
You don't need to fix everything overnight. You just need the right system, the right actions, and the right guidance.
So what does that look like? Let's go through 6 steps you can take to rebuild trust after infidelity.
Step 1. Understanding the roots of infidelity. Clarity and commitment.
Understand why the betrayal happened in the first place. Get rid of blaming, but take full accountability. Reconnect with your deeper why as a couple and find a more powerful reason to stay together. This way, you will stop feeling lost and start moving with direction.
Step 2. Emotional safety. Acceptance and healing foundations.
Learn how to calm the emotional chaos. Validate each other's pain in a way that brings connection. Set safe boundaries so healing can begin. This way, you will feel seen, not judged, and finally start to breathe again.
Step 3. Cultivating transparent communication.
Master the art of listening and being heard. Use frameworks to talk through triggers, fear, and pain in a healthy way. Build emotional intimacy through honest daily dialogue. This way, you will stop dreading conversations and start finding peace in them.
Step 4. Daily trust building rituals.
Create daily routines that slowly rewire trust into your relationship. Build consistency, safety, and connection in just 10-15 minutes a day. Use a structured planner to stay on track together. This way, you will stop walking on eggshells and finally feel like a team again.
Step 5. Reinforcement and growth. Deeper bonding.
Celebrate your progress and shift from survival to growth. Rebuild physical and emotional intimacy gently and safely. Explore advanced exercises that make trust feel real again. This way, you will stop fearing the future and start creating it.
Step 6. Embracing a renewed future.
Align your goals, rebuild confidence, and commit to your next chapter. Set up emotional safety nets, boundaries, and forgiveness systems. Build a relationship that is not just healed, but it's better than ever. Create a shared vision and fulfilling future together. This way, you will not just survive the betrayal, but you will rise stronger from it.
Infidelity is one of the deepest and worst wounds a relationship can face. It shatters trust, it shakes your sense of safety, and changes everything.
But when you take full responsibility for your actions, commit to never doing anything like this again, and both partners are willing to do the work, then rebuilding trust after infidelity is possible.
There is hope if you are willing to put in the work, if you are willing to forgive and move forward together, if you are willing to take responsibility and not allow your ego to take control. We created something that brings all of this together and can help you rebuild trust and feel loved again. You can check it out using the link in the description below.
Thank you for being here. If this video resonated with you, subscribe to our channel. We are here to help couples build true unshakable love.
And most importantly, remember, you are not alone and this pain does not define you.
See you soon.